What if the Gun Devil was actually afraid of Chainsaw Man? Think about it. The Gun Devil is one of the most feared devils in the entire world. But what if there was one devil that it feared even more? Chainsaw Man. Because the Gun Devil knows something humans don't fully understand. Chainsaw Man doesn't just kill devils, he can erase them from existence. And that's terrifying. Because if Denji ever became strong enough to eat the Gun Devil, it wouldn't just die. Everyone could forget the Gun Devil ever existed. So what if the Gun Devil's real goal wasn't to kill Denji? What if it wanted his heart to stop and control the Chainsaw Devil power?